You did not see me add the seagulls on this top yesterday. After I had finished recording, I decided that they needed to go on there. And so then I added them. I'm very glad I did. Definitely was the right choice. I think the top is super cute. So let's cut this and see how the inside turned out. Oops, I'm gonna cut one seagull. That's cute. I only had 2 sailboats, and at the last minute, like the day before I was gonna make this soap, I was like, I think I need another one. And I'm glad I did. So I wanted them to look like they were in the distance. So like this one's closer and these two are further away. And then a whole bunch of seagulls. 6. At first I only had 3, but then I had some others made for another project and I grabbed them because I felt like, I don't know, I felt like 3 wouldn't be enough and that the sky would be too void. I wish that one had gotten just a little bit lower. But I'll take it. That's cute. That pushed down. Some of them are good. Some of them, like, it's fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this one being lower. It's not quite 100% what I was going for, but it's fine. Let's check this end. I like it. I think my Cape fans will like it too. I do a couple events in the summer where nautical themed things are very popular, so I will take it. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think.